Understanding Mail Transport, an English language learning guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used term in English, mail transport. This phrase is part of our daily life, especially in the context of communication and logistics. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used in different contexts. Mail transport refers to the process of moving letters and packages from one place to another. This can be within a city, across countries, even internationally. The key elements here are mail. This includes letters, postcards, parcels, and any item that is sent via postal service. Transport. This is the method or system used to carry mail from the sender to the recipient. There are various methods used for transporting mail, each with its own characteristics. These include land transport. This involves vehicles like trucks and vans. It's often used for local and national delivery. Air transport, used for rapid and long-distance delivery, especially for international mail. Sea transport, primarily for large and heavy international shipments. In recent years, technology has played a significant role in enhancing the efficiency of mail transport. This includes tracking systems, allowing both senders and recipients to know the whereabouts of their mail. Automated sorting speeds up the process of sorting mail based on destination. Mail transport is crucial for both personal and professional communication. It enables global connectivity, keeping people connected across the world. Business operations, essential for the delivery of products and documents. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of mail transport and its significance in our daily lives. Remember, whether it's a letter to a loved one or an important business parcel, mail transport ensures that our messages and goods reach their destination. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning video.